to fix the black screen of Microsoft Teams, this is the video for you, so simply watch the video at the very end to know about it. So let's get started. To fix the Microsoft Teams black screen issue, make sure that your device is connected to any kind of strong Wi-Fi or data. So if you are not connected to any of it, then that may also be the reason that your screen is getting black. And if you are already connected on it and if you are still getting the black screen, then you just need to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. You reset the network settings of your device and fix the issue occurring on it. So after a few seconds, simply turn it off and you just need to open the Teams app again and see if you are still facing the issue of black screen, then you just need to open Play Store or App Store on the device. And after that, you just need to search for the app called Teams and see if there is any kind of update available for the app. And if you find any update available for the app, make sure to update it to the latest version available, because that may also be the reason that you are facing the issue of black screen. So simply update the app and try to open the app again, and it will surely help you to fix the issue of black screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.